Homophones explained. Meaning and examples. A homophone is an English word that is pronounced the same as another word, but has a different meaning and/or spelling. Let's see some examples. The word 8 is the past tense of eat. 8 is also the number after 7. A hare is a big rabbit-like mammal. Hair is also the strands that grow on your skin. To loan means to lend something. Lone also means solitary or alone. 1 is the first number. 1 is also the past tense of win. And finally, the word right means correct or a direction. Right also means to put pen to paper. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more homophones.